Good morning everyone, it's me Louie Corpus. Welcome to Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio. Today we're just gonna walk going to the market. Have my eco bag. We're gonna go buy tahong. And I think we're gonna go pass by the ukay-ukay. You'll see. So I'll show you some parts of Baguio City. Wait. So look at this. It's Ferguson, Quezon Hill. We are in Camp Allen. Good thing we still have tall pine trees. When I cook tinolang manok, I look for sayote here. It's free. Right now let's see. Maybe wala. Let's go. We're going to the market. Okay, SM Baguio, Baguio Cathedral. That's Mount Kabuyao. That place is Middle Quarry. That's our house, my mama's house. Baguio City is very beautiful still. I was born here. Let's going to Nagilian Road. Here, going to Baguio Market. So we're gonna pass here. Let's go. That is Melvin Jones Grandstand. That's Burnham Lake. They're still renovating it. That like triangle cone right there is convention center. This is always my main walking routine. This is Upper Market Subdivision, but when it's raining this gets very slippery. It's very steep. That is already the barangay hall of Upper Market Subdivision. We are already here, Baguio City Market. That is University of Baguio. This is Block 3. This is where I buy ukay-ukay clothes. Block 3, Baguio City Market. That part is Block 4. There's also a lot of ukay-ukay there. Okay, we're just gonna try to do lottery. Just lucky pick. It's 75 million. Okay, we are already here. Baguio Market. I went to buy pita bread. ground beef. We're gonna go buy tahong.
Mahirap pumatol sa araw. Nabilang.
Okay. Pwede pong worth 120 daw.
Pwede.
Ayan, sumama lang.
Na.
Ano ma'am, chop suey mo man. For, half kilo lang. Dito man ma'am.
Bawang saan?
Sibuan ma'am.
Natay?
Dita lang. Ito man ma'am, may isa. We are now here in Block 3. Vegetable section. This is the ukay-ukay. So let's go. Okay, hello everyone. We're going home. We're gonna climb this very steep hill again. So let's go. Okay, we've already climbed back up from that very steep hill. This is K-Light radio station. There's another big tower there. Okay, thank you for watching. We are near home with our little market duties. So let's go. Unfortunately, I didn't get to buy anything in the ukay-ukay. Try again next time. Thank you for watching, supporting this channel. More blessings to all of us.